list of retro wave sports cars. Due to its powerful engine and unique design, it quickly became one of the most iconic cars of the 1980s. The Countach is the perfect combination of power and style, reaching 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds. With a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour, the Countach is a savage opponent on the racetrack and the undisputed king of the streets. The Lamborghini Countach.